Yeah, you're not seeing double. This is outrageous. Yeah, there was a twin over at Dead Man's Curve last year. This is interesting. Twin Chevy Hemis. Both supercharged. You got four barrels. Now what's intriguing is that this has two transmissions, two drive shafts, two diffs, which makes no sense whatsoever. It might be a pushmobile, but you know, don't care. This is so cool. Seeing the Hot Wheels come to life. Now which came first? This or the Hot Wheels? This is why I love this show. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Too cool. Ah, there it is. There's the Hot Wheels right there. Twin mill. Cool beans. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, and UKWheelsEvents.com. I'll see you at the shows.